Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also lost our key area of support at around the $0.04331 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where I still believe that we are in the formation of this wave 2, but we also have the chance of having seen the low for this second wave, and very soon I'm expecting the start of an explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Gala Games chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in blue having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.06278 mark. And after seeing the formation of this wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliot wave contour to the upside of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave contour, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave cont 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $0.03933 mark and the $0.03374 mark. And that is the minimum that I was expecting that second wave to the lower side to do, and it is within this blue target area that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we have seen a bit of a retracement over here into our blue target area, giving us a low at around the $0.03815 mark in what could be the low for that wave 2, because we have done the minimum that we expect that second wave to the lower side to do by retracing into this blue target area. And assuming that we have seen the low for that second wave, we can sketch out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.11538 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this higher Elliot wave cont 3 to the upside to do. And for that move to also play out, we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA so that we can have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up and also see a break above our next key area of resistance. And the moment we manage to break above it, then we can expect a retest, and once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue pushing even higher and also see a break above the wave 1 high, which is at around the $0.06278 mark, and that will be enough confirmation that we are back in the formation of that higher Elliot wave cont 3, where I will also be expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave higher Elliot wave cont 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. But in case we are unable to manage to break above our next key area of resistance at around the $0.04331 mark, continue seeing a breakdown to the lower side and maybe lose the 20-day MA, then the breakdown could get us fully into this blue target area in the formation of this wave 2. And once we fully maximize that target area, then I think that would be another perfect entry to get back into Gala Games so that we can be able to ride that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So those are the two possible scenarios that we can expect over here. And before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, allow me to first take a look at the indicators, where on the RSI you can see we are trading at around the 47 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And in case the breakdown continues, that move will still be supported here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And you can also see that we are seeing a bit of an increase in the buying momentum here on the MACD, which is an indication that there are chances of continuing to push even higher. And jumping to the daily chart for further analysis and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, in a move that gave us the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.36017 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.